Hey there, welcome back to meetclouds.com. In this video, we are going to learn how you can create simple logos in the PowerPoint. The basic ideas, I don't know why the people used to, spend money on, hiring the people and get the Photoshop and other software to um, create logos. And this is very simple task because you have the idea what your business is, what is the objective of your business is. Why don't you use this kind of um, tools that you can create a simple video logo. So for example, for myself, I created this logo in the PowerPoint, and you can see the it's a high quality logo, and it seems really great. And let's say these are the very big companies like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Microsoft. For example, for the Facebook, let's create a Facebook logo in the PowerPoint within a few minutes. So this simple circle, if you hold the shift key and control key, uh, that's all. And you can see this and insert, and again there is a text box. Let's say just a F. You can see how it's easy is. Um, LinkedIn, logo. You can create this LinkedIn logo in the PowerPoint. A few clicks. For example, this one like this, and fill up the color with the same. And you just have to, add the text or edit the text inside or what it says in, and you can choose the font size and whatever based on your requirement. That's all. So what I mean to say is you can, and this is a very high quality logo, and you can export it. For example, you can export it into the any kind of JPEG or PNG, with the just right click, and you can see the PNG and JPG. So this is the basic idea. Also, you can have own creativity. Like you can find the symbols over here inside insert. You can do the shapes. For example, this kind of a shapes. Let's say I want to create some kind of plantation logo. Let's say I mean it's just an idea, and say, and I can just insert text over here, ABC plantation, and we can just change the fonts. You can download any fonts, something like that, and you can just change the fonts over here. You see, it's a simple idea that you can create anything you want in the PowerPoint. So I don't know why people use the Photoshop and other tools, because you can see a very big company like Microsoft. You can create this. Now you have an idea, then you just have to create a four squares and just put the Microsoft. So you can create as well. Also, if you want, some kind of icon, you can go to freeicons.com, and you can find a bunch of free icons, and you can just find it like something like you want technology icons, you can find over here, and you can just download freely, and you can put over inside your you can see you have a free download, and you can just download it here, and you can just import it inside the PowerPoint, and you can have with the your own idea and create a logo, and it finally you can export it and save as a image and export it. So, because you know very well what you want, and sometimes you cannot explain to the freelancers, and they will charge you like $100, sometimes $50, five, three, four, but whatever but they cannot come up with your idea. You because you have the idea, and you can create a simple logos inside the PowerPoint, and there are many other tools like in PowerPoint in the shapes you can adjust the shapes. For example, inside if you go to inside shape, for example, this is the shape you can see, and in this one, the yellow, you can just adjust your shape by clicking, and you can just whatever you want. So this is a very simple tool. Everybody has the MS Office, and they can use it for the creating a logo, banners, and everything. From since one very first day, I create a lot of graphic, banners, logos, and other things in a PowerPoint, and people doesn't know that I'm using this. So this is for all, and thank you so much. If you like the video, please subscribe you and hit the like button. Thank you.